Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial, I will discuss about how to see download history of your Google Play Store or your Android mobile. So keep watching this video. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. So guys, first of all, open Play Store on your Android mobile and click on profile icon and click on manage app and device and click on manage. Guys, these are all apps download in your Android mobile from Play Store. Guys, if you any application deleted accidentally from your Android mobile and you don't know the name of deleted application, so simply click on this device and not installed and wait for some second. These are application deleted from your Android mobile. If you want to recover, click on here and simply download. Now this application re-download in your entire mobile. So I hope this video helpful for you. So please like, note, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.